Hello students, now let's start our lesson. The theme of our lesson is about health.
As usual, please pay your attention to the screen. What can you see on it? Please give your ideas. Okay, so these are the pictures about healthy lifestyle. I think everyone should keep their healthy lifestyle as they live only once. Can you please reply on these questions? What is the healthy lifestyle? And our lifestyles today are very busy. We have family, university, we have sports, we have leisure, and commitments to fit into a limited amount of time. We need to be healthy to cope with demands of daily routine. What does it mean to have a healthy lifestyle? In fact, good health is not just the absence of disease or illness. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. This means eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, avoiding tobacco and drugs, and getting plenty of rest. Our bodies are like machines that require a balance of protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water to stay in good working order. Get the balance wrong and your health will suffer. A balanced diet means eating only as many calories as you use during the day. Any excess will be stored as fat if you eat more than you burn off. Ask 50 people to define what a healthy lifestyle is, and you will likely get 50 different answers. That's because there is no one way to be healthy. A healthy lifestyle simply means doing things that make you happy and make you feel good. For one person, that may mean walking a mile 5 times a week, eating fast food once a week, and spending virtual or in-person time with loved ones every other day. For a keto diet, and never having a sip of coffee. For someone else, a healthy lifestyle may be training and running 2 marathons a year, following a keto diet, and never having a sip of alcohol. Neither of these is better than the other. Both are perfect for that person. You get to decide what your healthy lifestyle looks like. Okay, so next look at the screen. You see some several points like eat a variety of healthy food most of the time, get regular exercise, have time to relax, get adequate sleep to give your body time to recover and grow. Do you have any other ideas to complete it? Please, I'm waiting for your answers. Well, yeah, it's pretty obvious that there are many aspects except for these ones, like measuring and watching your weight, for example. Keeping track of your body weight on a daily or weekly basis will help you see what you are losing and or what you are gaining. You also can limit unhealthy foods and eat healthy meals. Do not forget to eat breakfast and choose a nutritious meal with more protein and fiber and less fat, less sugar, and less calories as well. You also can take multivitamin supplements. To make sure you have sufficient levels of nutrients, taking a daily multivitamin supplement is a good idea, especially when you do not have a variety of vegetables and fruits at home. Many micronutrients are vital to your immune system, including vitamins A, B6, B12, C, D, and E, as well as zinc, iron, copper, selenium, and magnesium. However, there is currently no available evidence that adding any supplements or miracle mineral supplements to your diet will help you protect from the virus or increase recovery. In some cases, high doses of vitamins can be bad for your health. And of course, drink water and stay hydrated, and limit sugar beverages. Drink water regularly to stay healthy, but there is no evidence that drinking water frequently, for example every 15 minutes, can help prevent any viral infection. Also, exercise regularly and be physically active. At this time, at-home workouts may be a great idea, but you can also walk your dog or run outside. Be sure you know what's going on in your area and if there are any restrictions or mandatory self-quarantines. Please reduce sitting and screen time. Exercise can't immunize you from your sedentary time. Even people who exercise regularly could be at increased risk for diabetes and heart disease and stroke if they spend lots of time sitting behind computers. Practically speaking, you could consider taking breaks from sedentary time, such as walking around the office or room a couple of times in a day. And last but not least, get enough good sleep. There is a very strong connection between sleep quality and quantity as well and your immune system. You can keep your immune system functioning properly by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each single night. Next, you see here 2 texts, but they are not complete. For getting you full comprehension, you need to complete the text. Then we will check it together. You have 3 minutes to complete. Please, you may start. I can read it for you. Abby got at 7 a.m. got the dog and had cereal and a glass of juice for breakfast. She walks to school with her friend, Julia. She has a package of chips for a morning snack, drinks water from the water fountain, and have a chicken and a lettuce sandwich with a banana for lunch. She got to play soccer with her friends at lunch and morning break time. She walks home with Julia, has some crackers with cheese and fruit juice for afternoon snack, and got with the dog for a while. She got computer games for an hour or 2 before dinner, then has a shower and does her homework. She got her favorite television show for an hour, then usually got to bed at about 9:30 p.m. Carl got at 8:30 a.m. and has 2 slices of toast with jam with a glass of milk for breakfast. His mother got him to school on her way to work. He eats cookies and a packed fruit drink for morning snack and a pot pie ordered from the school cafeteria with a fruit drink for lunch. He got to play card games with his friends at lunchtime and climb the fixed equipment at morning break time. He got the bus home, has a cereal pair and a can of soda for afternoon snack, and then got some television. He has a shower before dinner and then got the computer for an hour or 2. He goes to bed at about 10:30 p.m. If you've finished, check your writings with the screen. You can see full versions of the both texts on a screen. Please check it out. I can read it for you. Abby gets up at 7 a.m., feeds the dog, and has cereal and a glass of juice for breakfast. She walks to school with her friend, Julia. She has a package of chips for a morning snack, drinks water from the water fountain, and have a chicken and a lettuce sandwich with a banana for lunch. She likes to play soccer with her friends at lunch and morning break time. She walks home with Julia, has some crackers with cheese and fruit juice for afternoon snack, and plays with the dog for a while. She plays computer games for an hour or 2 before dinner, then has a shower and does her homework. She watches her favorite television show for an hour, then usually goes to bed at about 9:30 p.m. Carl gets up at 8:30 a.m. and has 2 slices of toast with jam with a glass of milk for breakfast. His mother drives him to school on her way to work. He eats cookies and a packaged fruit drink for a morning snack and a pot pie order from the school cafeteria with a fruit drink for lunch. He likes to play card games with his friends at lunchtime and climb the fixed equipment at morning break time. He catches the bus home, has a cereal bar and a can of soda for afternoon snack, and then watch some television. He has a shower before dinner and then plays the computer for an hour or two. He goes to bed at about 10:30 p.m. Health aspects. So now we're going to have a competition between groups. Please let's divide into groups such as health aspects, Abby, Carl, you, suggestion. If you finish, please listen carefully to the instruction. You have to work due to our previous text about Abby and Carl. Please, each team should find their problems and give a suggestion to improvements. How to improve the situation. Okay, so now pay your attention to me. Here I have some flashcards with pictures. These are the components of a healthy lifestyle. Have breakfast. It is important for a bunch of reasons. It jumpstarts your metabolism and stops you from overeating later. Plus, study shows that adults who have a healthy breakfast do better at work, and kids who eat a morning meal score higher on tests. If a big plateful first thing isn't for you, keep it light at a granola bar or a piece of fruit. Just don't skip it. Plan your meal. It will help you save time and money in the long run. Block out some time, then sit down and consider your goals and needs. Do you want to lose weight? Cut back on sugar, fat, or carbs. Add protein or vitamins. Meal prep keeps you in control. You know what you're eating and when. A bonus, it will be that much easier to skip those donuts in a break room at work. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. It can do so many good things for you. Staying hydrated is at the top of the list, but it may also help you lose weight. Another reason to go for H2O. Sugary drinks are linked to obesity and type 2 diabetes. If you aren't a fan of plain water, add flavor with a slice of orange, lemon, lime, watermelon, or cucumber. Take an exercise break. Don't just grab another cup of coffee. Get up and move. Do some deep lunges or stretches. It is great for your body and mind. Just 30 minutes of walking 5 times a week may help keep the blues at bay. And if you cannot do those minutes all at once, short bursts help too. Go offline, checking your email and social media a lot. Share your friends and family's latest updates or just click away, but do you really need to see pictures of your cousin's latest meal? Let it wait until morning. Set a time to log off and put the phone down. When you cut back on screen time, it frees you to do other things. Take a walk, read a book, or help your cousin chop veggies for their next great dinner. Learn something new. New skills help your brain stay healthy. Sign up for a dance class or a creative writing workshop. Better yet, master a new language. The mental work it takes can slow the signs of aging and may even delay the effects of Alzheimer's disease. Do not smoke. If you light up, then quit. It's a big move toward better health. Your body repairs itself quickly. As soon as 20 minutes after your last cigarette, your heart rate and blood pressure drop. Why wait? Kick the habit today. Your doctor will be happy to help you get started. Train your muscles. Strength training helps your body trade fat for muscle mass. That means you will burn more calories even when you are being a couch potato. But these workouts can also help you slim down, straighten your heart, and put up your bones. Do strength training exercises like push-ups, lunges, and weightlifting, at least twice a week. Head outdoors. A few minutes in the sunshine raises vitamin D levels, and that's good for your bones, your heart, and your mood as well. Plus, being outside means you're more likely to move your body instead of parking it in front of the TV or computer. Choose nature over city streets if you can. One study found that people who strolled in urban green spaces were calmer than people who walked in put-up areas. That's all for today. Thank you all for today's lesson. Goodbye.